Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest trends and tips for making money online. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics on the internet right now, making money online in 2024. With the digital landscape evolving rapidly, there are more opportunities than ever to create a lucrative online business. With the credit crunch biting hard, more and more of us are turning to the digital world to find financial opportunities. But the big question remains: what's the best money-making product to promote? Let's get into it. First up, digital products. Ebooks, courses, and software tools are extremely popular. These digital products are in high demand because they offer valuable information and tools that people can access instantly. Why? Because they have low overhead costs and high profit margins. You don't have to worry about manufacturing or shipping, which means more profit in your pocket. If you have expertise in a specific area, creating an ebook or a course could be your golden ticket. Share your knowledge and skills with the world and watch the sales roll in. Imagine helping others while filling your pockets. It's a win-win situation. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way for beginners to start. You don't need your own products, just promote someone else's and earn a commission for every sale through your link. It's a low-risk way to get started in the online business world. In 2024, the hottest products in affiliate marketing are in health and personal wellness. This industry is booming as more people focus on their well-being. Think meal kits, fitness programs, and mental health apps. These products are not only popular but also have a high potential for repeat customers. Moving on, subscription services are the gift that keeps on giving, literally. They provide a steady income stream and keep customers coming back for more. Whether it's premium content platforms, software, or niche hobby boxes, subscriptions provide a steady income stream. Customers love the convenience and value of receiving regular deliveries. And the best part, you build a loyal customer base that's invested in your brand. This loyalty can lead to long-term success and growth for your business. Lastly, let's not ignore the power of eco-friendly products. As more consumers prioritize sustainability, items like biodegradable goods, reusable products, and green technologies are not just good for the planet, they're also great for your wallet. People are willing to pay a premium for products that align with their values. So there you have it. Digital products, affiliate marketing, subscription services, and eco-friendly goods are top contenders for the best money-making products to promote online in 2024. Choose one that aligns with your passion and expertise, and you're all set for success. Thanks for tuning in. Choose one that aligns with your passion and expertise, and you're all set for success. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, the key to success is to stay informed and adapt to the changing market trends. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more tips on making money online. Your support helps us bring you the best content. Catch you in the next one. Until then, keep hustling and stay motivated.